Hello, and welcome back to Trinity Codes. I'm Trinity Vandenaker, and in this screencast, I'm going to continue on with this website that we started in the last screencast with the 3 pages. And I have home page, about us, and contact us. What I'm going to do now is actually structure this home page here a little bit. I don't like the way it's set up, and I'm going to show you how to do that and adjust the menu to match it. All right, so we'll just get started right away. Now, if you're not following along, this is a Woo theme from woothemes.com. You can create a free account here. I don't have any affiliation with them whatsoever, but I use their themes a lot. It's a free theme called Artificer or something. You can watch my last screencast to see which one that is, or you can watch the original screencast about how to install a theme to find out how to install a theme from Woo Themes into your WordPress installation. Okay, so let's modify this now for just a blog. Okay, so a lot of times you want this. This is actually a blog post right here. You want a list of blog posts on your homepage, right? But what I'm creating here is a website, and then we're going to add a blog right into it. Okay, so for that, we don't really want all of our posts right on the homepage. You know, maybe some of them, but not right now. So what I want to do is change this homepage around, and then fill it in with some content structured the way I want to. So to do that, you go up here to the dashboard. Okay, go back to your dashboard, and we're going to create a page that we're going to use for our home page, and we're going to call it let's see if I can figure out what to call it. Okay, and then in here we're going to just put some content for the moment, and then I'll fix that in just a second. Okay, so just so you know, we're on the right page. Right here, over to this, on this side of the page, I'm going to make this a full width page. What that means is there won't be a sidebar on it. I'm going to make it full width all the way across your screen, or the whatever. So let's just go and publish this. Okay. So now what this does is just create another page, so it will actually show up right here, okay, in your navigation bar. But I don't want it right here. I want it to be the home page, okay? So let's do that right now. Let's modify this navigation bar to make this right here our home page. So let's go up here back to the dashboard. Now to do this, to set it as the home page, you go to Settings, Reading, and right here it says Front Page Displays. This is what it's set on right now, which is what you're seeing when on our home page. So we're going to select this a static page, and then we're going to select the page we just created, a great screencast for WordPress page. Save the changes. Okay. Now, let's go view our site, and I'll show you what that did. Is now, blam, we're on this page right here. Is now our new home page. If you click on home, it's just going to go right back to that page. So now that obviously doesn't work up here, so let's go back and modify our navigation bar. So go back to the dashboard, then go to Appearance, and then Menus, and then create a new menu. We need to create a new menu. Okay, we're going to create a new menu called Main Links. Click Create Menu. Now right here is your pages. These are your pages that we have created so far. If you say View All, you can see this home right here. It's a little different. So we want to go back to most recent. Okay, click on this page, this page, and this page. These are the only three that I want on the navigation bar at this time. I don't want the other home page. Okay, so add them to the menu by clicking this button here. Now, obviously, we don't want this to say Great Screencast for WordPress. We want it to say Home. So click this, and then highlight that navigation label and write Home in there. And then in the title apps attribute, we can say whatever we want to say in there. So like that. Now, if we go to okay, one last thing, we want this to be the primary menu. So make sure you check that box right there. We want it to display right there in the middle of the page. Now save this menu. Now go back and view our page. Screencast, visit site. And voila, we now have the home page as this page. The contact page is still the same. About Us page is still the same. But when you click the home, it now goes to this page right here. Okay? So, what we want to do now, let's just design our home page now. So, go back up here to Dashboard, Pages, All Pages. Okay, so this is now our home page right here. Even though it doesn't say home, it says home on the navigation bar, so that's all I wanted to do. And we're going to edit it. Okay, now I'm going to take this content out. What I want to do on this page is I want a big banner going all the way across it, okay? And then I want 3 columns below that, each one with a photo and text below it, okay? So to do that, we're going to go to, we're going to go here and we're going to set the banner image, okay? The banner I've already put in here. So add media, and then I select this file, and then down here, alignment none, that's fine. I don't want that to attach to anything right now, so we're going to put none on that. And then this is not big enough. I want it full size. I want it to go all the way across, 950 pixels by 300, and insert it into the page. See how that goes all the way across? Okay. Now, below that, I'm going to hit Enter, which is going to just bring the my cursor down here. Okay, now I'm going to, Woo Themes has a feature to create columns. So see this Woo button right here? Click the Woo button. Come down to Column Layout. Click that. Now I want a 3-column layout, so I'm going to click 3 columns. And I want them to each be 1 column wide. I don't want one as a third and then one that's 2/3. So I'm going to click this once. That creates 1 column. Click it again. That creates 2 columns. And then click it a 3rd time. Now you have your 3 columns there. Okay, and I'm going to choose Insert, and that's going to insert those right into the page right here. Okay, now I'm going to adjust these a little bit. This is the text in here, inside the brackets, you do not want to mess with. It's the text outside of the brackets, in between this tag and that tag and this tag and that tag, that you want to put your content in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to highlight the content that they have in there. That's the content right there, and backspace, and then I'm going to hit Enter, Enter. I'm gonna structure this a little bit so you can see and I can see and make it more readable. So I'm gonna knock that tag down. Okay, I'm gonna backspace that content and then do the same thing. I'm leaving a bigger space here between the \1 and the one that doesn't have a backsplash, so that I know to put my content in that space. So knock that one down. And then here's your 3rd content area. So backspace, and then knock that down twice. Now you have 1, 2, 3 areas to put content in. So let's put some content in this area right here. Let's add media. Okay. I'm going to upload an image. So upload a file, and I'm going to go to, let's see, what are we going to go to? I should have looked at this a little closer before I jumped in here. Okay, so let's use this. This is the one of the ones I wanted to use. Okay, so select that, open that. Okay, now it's in here, and you can set a title and everything for it. I'm not going to do that right now. Align it. I'm not going to align it at all. I'm going to have it not go anywhere if somebody clicks on it. And we're going to put it as 300 by 300 because that's the width, basically, of the columns. Okay, so I'm going to insert that into the page. And what that did, see, is it inserted in between this one and this one. That's the first column. So I'm going to click over here. And then down now I'm going to put some content in there. So let's just grab some content off my website and throw it in there so that we have something to use. Okay, so we'll just copy this right here and go back, and we're gonna just paste it right in there. Okay, so you guys can see what this looks like. Okay, now that's the first column. Second column, we're gonna do the same thing. So let's just add media to that. I'm just gonna use the same one. Align none there, and then 300. Insert that. Okay, paste that code in there, and then grab this again. None, insert into page. Okay, then go below it and paste in the code or some text and update it. Okay, now I updated that page. Now let's go back and view the page right here. Just click view page, and there it is. Now this is your home page. We have a navigation bar for it. We have great screencast for just a title to our page. We have a banner, and then I have 3 separate columns that you can put anything in you want. Probably something there would be great to highlight some posts or a different page or different sections of your website, something like that. These are, like products, whatever it is that you want to highlight. That would be a great layout for them. Okay. That was just to show you how to set up the navigation bar and the home page for this this website that we're building. So now I'm going to, in the next screencast, I will be setting up the blog for this particular site. Thank you for watching. Be sure to go to trinitycodes.com to get one-on-one personal instruction on WordPress, or to get some more free video tutorials about WordPress and how to do other aspects of integration with WordPress. And if you have any questions, be sure to come to my site and just contact me, and click contact us, send me an email, and I'd be glad to give you to try to help you out. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching.